First, head over to the Settings page by clicking the gear icon in the portal header. From here, we'll look for Tools, Website, and click into Blog. In the blog settings dashboard, set the current view to the blog you want to update, or select Create New Blog or Import Blog if you want to create a new blog. Once you have a blog chosen, click into the Templates tab. Under Blog Post Template, click the Actions button and choose Change Template from the dropdown. This will take you to the Theme Selection window where you'll choose your theme and select a blog post template. Then click the orange Save button in the bottom left. We'll talk further on editing this template later, but for now, let's go ahead and update our blog listing template. Under Blog Listing page, click the Actions button and choose Change Template from the dropdown. This will redirect you to the page editor settings for the blog listing. Click Advanced Options and scroll down to the Template section. Click Use Different Template, which will take you to the Theme Selection window to choose a theme and the blog listing template you want to use. If updating from a previous drag and drop template, your new templates modules may not be pulled in, and instead show the modules from your previous template. You'll need to delete the old modules and drag in the necessary modules from your new theme. The blog listing is fully drag and drop just like Pages, so you can add and remove any modules you would like. Then just click the Update button in the top right when you're done. Also keep in mind, if the blog listing module in your theme has an infinite load functionality, we'll need to go back to the blog settings, click into the Templates tab, and scroll down to Number of Posts per Listing page. Set this number to 100 million to ensure that all posts are available in the infinite load. Now let's check out how to edit a blog post. We can reach the blog dashboard from Marketing, Website, and clicking Blog. You can either hover over and click to edit an already created blog post, or click the Create button to create a new one. Blog post templates are mostly made up of static modules, as only the blog post body has drag and drop functionality. You can click any of the modules to change the settings, or click into the Contents tab to view all the modules available on the page in a simple list. In the blog post body, you can drag in any available modules into a single column. Once you've finished editing your post and updated any necessary settings in the other page editor tabs, you can click the Update or Publish button in the top right to send the blog post live.